Autosar stands for Automotive Open System Architecture. Autosar. An overview. Organization. Partners. The Autosar organization is a global development partnership of automotive interested parties. The organization contains different kind of partners. Core partners include BMW, Bosch, Continental, Daimler, Ford, General Motors, PSA Group, Toyota, and Volkswagen. These companies are responsible for organization, administration and control of the Autosar development partnership. Within this core several roles are defined and assigned to dedicated people. The Executive Board defines the overall strategy and roadmap. The Autosar spokesperson focuses exclusively on the external representation of the Autosar development partnership, for example gives interviews for press and media, and promotes Autosar in talks. The spokesperson is the face of Autosar and has the function of a testimonial in the external communication. He is the first contact for marketing and publications. The steering committee manages day-to-day non-technical operations and the admission of partners, public relations and contractual issues. The Autosar chairman is in charge of internal affairs and is supported by the deputy chairman. Both are members of the Autosar steering committee. The chairman and chairman-deputy are appointed for a 9-month term. Additional to the core partners there are 5 further types of partners. Premium partners are making use of the Autosar standards. And like development partners they contribute to work packages coordinated and monitored by the project leader team and established by the core partners. Development partners are making use of the Autosar standards. And like premium partners they contribute to work packages coordinated and monitored by the project leader team and established by the core partners. Associate partners are making use of the standard documents which Autosar has already released. Attendees are collaborating with core, premium and development partners in order to define the Autosar standards. Strategic partners are appointed for a period of 2 years from the circle of premium partners and support the project leader team in the various technical, organizational and everyday processes. They also give new strategic inputs to the project leader round. If you want to learn more about Autosar and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.